Imagine waking up in the morning and realizing you've made money while you slept. No alarm clock blaring, no frantic commute, no soul-crushing 9 to 5, just pure, beautiful freedom. In this video, we're diving deep into 9 proven methods to generate passive income online in 2025 and beyond. These are strategies I've used myself, and I've seen them work wonders for others. So buckle up, grab your coffee, and let's unlock your financial freedom together. Alright, let's kick things off with affiliate marketing. Here's the gist. You find a product or service you love, you recommend it to your audience, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, boom, you get a commission. Now the key here is to be authentic. Don't just shill any random product. Focus on what you genuinely believe in, whether it's a cool tech gadget, a life-changing course, or even a fancy coffee subscription. Once you've got your platform up and running, start creating high-quality content that provides value and seamlessly integrates your affiliate links. Think product reviews, tutorials, comparison articles, or even just sharing your personal experience with the product. As your content gains traction and people start trusting your recommendations, you'll start seeing those sweet affiliate commissions rolling in, even while you're catching those Z's. Earn a commission, passively, effortlessly, and in your sleep. Let's talk about the beauty of leverage. Imagine creating something once, putting it out there, and having it generate income for you, not just for weeks or months, but for years to come. That's the power of digital products. We're talking ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, music, software. The possibilities are literally endless. If you've got knowledge or skills that others find valuable, you can package that expertise into a digital product and start selling it online. Platforms like Gumroad, Podia, Teachable, and even Etsy make it incredibly easy to create, market, and sell your digital products. You can promote them on your website, social media, through email marketing. The world is your oyster. Once your product is live, it's available 24/7. Working tirelessly to generate passive income while you focus on creating your next masterpiece, or just enjoying a well-deserved nap. Chapter 4. YouTube Automation, Your Faceless Empire of Content. Now let's talk about YouTube automation. I'm talking about building a legitimate, value-packed YouTube channel that generates passive income while you sleep, without you ever having to show your face on camera. The key is to create high-quality, evergreen content that people will continue to search for and watch for years to come. Think educational videos, tutorials, top 10 lists, explainer videos, content that provides lasting value and doesn't rely on your face or personality to be engaging. You can use a combination of stock footage, screen recordings, animations, and AI voiceovers to create professional-looking videos without ever stepping foot in front of a camera. And as your channel grows and you start generating views, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even by selling your own digital products. It's like building a content machine that works tirelessly 24/7, attracting viewers, generating revenue, and growing your online presence, all while you're off living your best life. Title, apps, and tools. Code once, profit forever. If you've got coding skills or you're willing to partner with a developer, creating and selling your own apps or software can be incredibly lucrative. Think about the everyday problems people face, big or small, and how a simple app or tool could make their lives easier. It could be a productivity app, a budgeting tool, a language learning platform, a game. The possibilities are endless. The key is to identify a niche, solve a specific problem, and create a user-friendly solution. Once you've developed your app or tool, you can list it on app stores like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. You can choose to offer it for a one-time purchase price, or even better, implement a subscription model for recurring revenue. Imagine a steady stream of passive income flowing in every month from users who love and rely on your creation. Chapter 6. Rent out your assets. Turn your stuff into passive cash flow. This next one is all about leveraging what you already have, your assets, to generate passive income. We all have things lying around that we don't use all the time. A spare bedroom, a car that sits idle most days, even cameras, tools, or musical instruments gathering dust. Instead of letting these assets depreciate, why not put them to work for you? Platforms like Airbnb, Turo, and Neighbor have made it easier than ever to rent out your stuff and earn passive income. Have a spare bedroom or an entire property you're not using? List it on Airbnb and tap into the booming world of short-term rentals. Got a car that's collecting cobwebs in the garage? Rent it out on Turo and let your car pay for itself. You can even rent out smaller items like cameras, drones, or tools on platforms like Fat Llama. It's a great way to generate extra cash flow without lifting a finger, well, almost. Now, let's talk about building long-term wealth and generating passive income while we're at it. Dividend investing. In essence, when you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you're buying a small piece of a company that shares its profits with its shareholders. That's you. It's like owning a tiny ATM that dispenses cash directly into your brokerage account every quarter. The beauty of dividend investing is that it allows you to participate in the growth of the stock market while also generating a steady stream of passive income. Over time, those dividends can reinvest and compound, growing your wealth exponentially. It's the magic of compound interest. Platforms like Robinhood, M1 Finance, and Public have made investing more accessible than ever, with user-friendly interfaces, fractional shares, and even dividend reinvestment plans. Remember, investing does come with risks, so it's crucial to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and invest for the long haul. But done right, dividend investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth and generating passive income that works tirelessly for you, even while you sleep. If you've got a passion for a particular topic, whether it's travel, cooking, personal finance, or even collecting rubber ducks, starting a niche blog could be your ticket to passive income glory. Blogging is all about sharing your expertise, insights, and experiences with the world while building a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations. The key is to choose a niche that you're genuinely passionate about and that has the potential to attract a sizable audience. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create high-quality, informative, and engaging content that provides value to your readers. You can monetize your blog through a variety of methods, including display advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and even selling your own products or services. It's about creating a valuable resource for your audience while strategically incorporating income-generating opportunities that feel natural and non-intrusive. Now let's talk about the future of passive income, leveraging the power of artificial intelligence. AI tools are rapidly changing the game, making it easier than ever to automate tasks, create content, and scale your passive income streams. We're talking AI writing assistants like Jasper and Copy.ai that can help you churn out high-quality blog posts, articles, and even ebooks in a fraction of the time. AI image generators like Midjourney and DALL-E 2 that can create stunning visuals for your website, social media, or even print-on-demand products. and AI video editors like Pictory and InVideo that can help you create professional-looking videos without any prior editing experience. You can use AI to automate content creation, manage your social media, analyze data, and even handle customer support. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative tools and platforms to emerge, making passive income more accessible and achievable than ever before. There you have it. 9 proven passive income ideas to kickstart your journey toward financial freedom in 2025 and beyond. Remember, passive income isn't about getting rich quick, it's about putting in the work up front to build sustainable income streams that work for you, even while you sleep. So, what are you waiting for? Choose one of these passive income ideas that resonates with you, take action, and start building your financial future today. And hey, while you're at it, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips, and let me know in the comments which passive income stream you're most excited to try.